How to answer the assessment at the CANKADO MaMeBe website. Assessments are assigned to you by your physician based on your treatment requirements. To answer an assessment directly via MaMeBe without CANKADO login, you will need an access code. This access code is available in your welcome sheet provided by your physician. Also, you can get the code from your physician without the welcome sheet. Visit the website mamebe.cankado.com. You can change the language by clicking here. Select your preferred language. Enter the access code here. Click on Start for answering the assessment. Questionnaires from your assigned assessment will appear here. Assessment can contain more than one questionnaire. Answer the questions in the assessment by selecting an answer option. After completing your assessment, you can select Finish. You have now successfully completed your assessment.